Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Welcome back. Sorry to be throwing so many videos out there, but I've just been had the day off, and I'm working towards something, and I'm just showing you guys what normally I wouldn't show you in videos. There's a lot of hours and hours of work. So what we're going to start off with here is I made another one of those capacitors. This one I put a strip on the bottom versus that one's solid. I'll make that solid later. Um, we've got a coil, 1/4 inch copper tubing running down, touching the bottom. We're going to take this guy and we're going to set it on top, just like so. And we're going to make sure that I'm calling it a spring, because it is a spring. It's my bouncy bally, I'm calling it. So here you go. Well, why am I doing this? Well, I'm doing this because the outside plate is, I believe this is the negative. No, I believe this is the positive, and I believe this is the negative. On this experiment, I'm going to show you, we're not connected. So basically, we're just sitting on top of this piece of paper, and I got it a couple inches away. I'm going to turn it on there. There's a couple experiments I want to show you here, the multiples. One's with oil with this, and we're going to show a vortex in the oil and how the oil gets depressed by the electrons that are coming down into the oil itself and how the oil responds. I tried to do it on another video, but I couldn't get it to work. But I got it to work now. On this one here, we're going to light up wirelessly. We're going to light up this light bulb. We're going to light up this light bulb. And then you ask yourself, how is it going to light up? Well, it's going to light up because we're putting charge in here. And when I bring these light bulbs close enough, they'll light up. If I go ahead and touch them, they'll get real bright. And then what will happen is the plate will deplete all of its energy, and I'll have to take the bulb, go down to another plate, and once I make this contact, it re-energizes the top part, vice versa. So whichever one I'm taking a load off of, the other side is recharging. This is my own custom built dual capacitor, whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and we're going to fire this up right now. All right, so we just got on the rubber band, and I'm sending the bottom half, the negative side, to ground of the AC fan that's turning that bottom. Rubber band goes up. There you go. Got a little, you see the spark? So we got some spark. It's door shut, so it's really moist out. Usually you don't see much spark when it's moist. So right now this is collecting. Let's go ahead and turn the light off here. We got some light. Got edge wheel over there. Got some light, and we're going to take this neodescent, and we're going to come up to it. And you can see we just seen it lit up. Now we're going to go down bottom here. You can see it's faint, like I'm touching, it's not light. So I come back up here, then I come back down here. This plate should be charged. There it is. Now the plate's uncharged. Now because we're using putting a load on here. You can see I'm not touching it, it's lit barely. So then I touch it, not touch it, I'm just still. Then you come down here. Now this is pretty much just wireless, so it's nothing connecting to it. There's a big 4-foot bulb. All right, let's go ahead now. I'm going to turn off the machine. So the rubber band stopped. This thing is still charged. How do we know it's charged? I wouldn't touch it. Let's put this bulb up to it, and we'll scooch it out here. It's all motor's off. This is off. We'll come over here. You see the light lighten up. Come down bottom. See that light light up. Now you would think maybe it's really dissipated, and it's not. Now watch what you see. And I go to touch these two ends. Alright, well that one is. Good. Alrighty, so this time we're going to go ahead and take off the top of that, set it aside, and we're going to take a wire, and we're going to come off the top. I'll put the light back on so you guys can see. So put a wire on the top here. We take the little top load off, put a wire from there. Then we're going to run the wire to the outside there. And we're going to get the wire so it's not leaning on it. And voila, fire in a hole. So now the capacitors are connected to where the top load was. And let's go ahead and turn the light off. Give that a second to charge. Let's come over here with our bulb. All right. See, we got the bulb lighting up there. Barely lighting up down there. Okay, some good light going there. Up top, okay. So it seems like it was better when it wasn't connected. And why is that? Leave your comments, guys. So let's go ahead and check this one. That response is okay. Now let's go ahead and turn it off. So now I got the back off. Let's see, she's holding a charge. Don't see anything there. Don't see anything there. It did that time. It did there. Nothing there. Did it again. Yep. Let's use this and see if we get a spark. Yep, little tiny spark. So, let's disconnect. Let's throw the top on. Now let's go ahead and just push this back a little bit. Let's fire in a hole. Time to click it on. So I hope you like the experiments, guys. I think about time we're done with this one. Things that make you go, oh, we didn't do the oil experiment. We must do it before I run out of phone time. Alrighty, so what do we want to do? We want to get these capacitors out of the way. They'll still charge over here too, guys. Look at that. We want to show off the oil. We need light for the oil. Alrighty. Air's got a lot of moisture in it. I'm surprised this oil thing will even work. Alright, here we go. I got this big plastic disc and I got oil sitting on top of it. If we can see the oil. There's the oil. Now let's watch the oil as it gets to the vortex. So I can see that you guys seen it. It's like little vortex TCs, little vortexes. Alright, let's turn this thing off. Let's check to see if we have, it's been a minute or so. Let's check to see if we have anything saved in here still. Oh yeah. Yep. There's some energy for you guys. Saved in this capacitor. So this capacitor has a north and a south. I still wouldn't touch that with my fingers after yesterday. Still had a spark in it. You see that? Holy crap. Alrighty. Leave your comments. I don't know what to call this. But this is a capacitor with two separate plates, obviously. Why don't you guys name it for me? Goodbye.